The Jets backed into a 3rd and 15. The quarterback taking the snap. 4-man rush. Push up the middle. Wilson's kick. Judon is there for the sack and the safety.
Thank you so much, Zeke. Thank you.
Everybody knows me. You can watch me on the big screen.
All we need is focus. 3-second increments will be good. Focus, play hard, get the ball.
Chase perfection, each and every play. Throw it out of Chase, man. 3 out of Chase. Let's go. Back is on 3, 1, 2, 3. Back.
And hello again, everyone. A very pleasant good afternoon, and welcome to MetLife Stadium in the Meadowlands. Second down and 9 from the 26. Again, and a tackle in the backfield. Jennings read it all the way, nearly took the exchange from Wilson to Hall, and the Jets absorb a loss of 6. Three receivers right for Wilson. A blitzer coming. Wilson stands in, moves up. Now he's pressured, and he spins.
Nobody touched him
on his own.
Hell yeah! Hell yeah! Sir!
That's it, D. Good series.
Jones with a play fake. And a throw down the right seam. It's caught by Farrell Brown. Racing to the 20. 15-10. Chased by Amos at 5. Stretching out to the pylon. A dive for a touchdown. Farrell Brown, the tight end on the right wing. Stevenson is set back with a play fake, deep drop by Jones. Checks it down to Farrell Brown at the 40 with a stiff arm. Gets outside of the 45, and then he's undercut by Gardner and brought down from behind by C.J. Mosley. Kick is up, sailing to the uprights, and Ryland's kick is good. The quarterback taking the snap. 4-man rush. Push up the middle. Wilson's kick. And Wilson goes down in the end zone.
That's it. Yes, it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We still like to finish this.
1:26 to go. 4th and 10 for the Jets, down 5 from the 45. Wilson is back, stands in, throws it near side, well short of the first down marker, well short of the 50-yard line. He's tackled, is the tight end Conklin, by Kyle Duggar. You hear the term every March, survive in advance. The Patriots survived today 15-10, and now with a 1-2 record, they advance into week 4 with a 15th consecutive victory over the New York Jets.